Right, let's start today's session. See, in the last lecture, we were discuss about how to download Python software and install it, and how many possible ways to write Python code and execute we were discuss. Okay. So one is using interactive mode, and another one is using script mode, and third one is IDLE. So we discussed in the last lecture interactive mode, script mode, ideally. Today I'm going to launch PyCharm editor. This editor is the permanent editor, which I'm going to use in continuation sessions. Okay. Who are new to this session, don't worry. You just try to attend this demo lecture. And even tomorrow also you have a free demo lecture. And after completion of this demo lecture, our team will send the previous 2 demo lecture videos. So you can watch it. Okay, that will be good. So let me start with the PyCharm editor, download and installation. Finally, VS Code also, we will try to download and install. As I said, these are the basic ways to write Python code and execute. Interactive mode, script mode, ideally integrated development learning environment. But these 3 options through what we can do with generally we can write the logic, but there is no error indications or IntelliSense support. Okay, as usual, as a new to Python programmer, you have to take our own risk to write the code in these 3 options. So no suggestions, no error indications. And as a beginner, I am recommending you to do with Python code with PyCharm or else Visual Studio Code. All the beginner levels, they must and should use a proper editor, PyCharm or VS Code, so that you will be able to write Python code very comfortably instead of interactive window, script mode, ideally. Let's try to launch PyCharm editor here. But before that, PyCharm editor launching, you must and should have Python software in your computer. Yesterday, what I did, download Python and install. Okay. So without Python software, you can't launch PyCharm editor. So compulsory PyCharm is required. So let's Python is required. So you know that how to check Python whether exists or not in your computer. Simply go to the command prompt. Yesterday, what I discussed, type a command called Python space hyphen version. You can see, sir, we got the version number 3.13.7. That means I have already Python software in my computer so that I can able to launch PyCharm editor now. So we have to check. If not, you must download and install Python version. So how to download Python? Already you people know that. There is a official website www.python.org and click on the download option, and there is a download 3.13.7. So very simple way to install, no problem. Yesterday session we discussed this installation. So who are new to this session, please watch my last demo video so that you will get clarity. Okay, after session, our team will send demo link. In that 2 videos you will find out, no worries at all. Today I'm launching PyCharm editor, but already for my previous batches or ongoing running batches, I have installed PyCharm in my computer. So look at this, PyCharm is already there. So what I can do means I can uninstall now so that I can reinstall, so that you will get clarity how to download and install PyCharm also. So how to uninstall any software from your computer means simply go to the control panel. And here you can see uninstall program. And there is a PyCharm editor related file that I'm selecting and doing uninstallation. This is PyCharm 2025. Right click, uninstall. Say yes. It's completely uninstalling. Just for to show you the installation procedure, I am uninstalling this PyCharm editor from my computer now, sir. Please wait few seconds. It will be uninstalled. After that, how to download PyCharm editor and install it, I'll show you. Almost done. Yes, close it. So PyCharm is not available. Okay. Yes. How to download PyCharm editor means simply go to the Google search and type download PyCharm. Okay. Download PyCharm. Press enter and there you will be able to see first link www.jetbrains.com. This community people only designed PyCharm editor for exclusively Python beginners or Python developers. So now click on this link, first link, and there you can see this. Immediately you will be able to navigate all the options like PyCharm editor, the only Python IDE you need. Okay, so this is completely version is available. Simply I recommend to you to download it. Look at this, free forever. It is, but plus 1 month of pro included. 1 month of pro means professional features also you will get for 1 month. That is trial. But after 1 month, do you want to extend with professional features also? Then you have to purchase it. But usually we cannot purchase. Directly we will continue with normal editor only. Normal means community editor features. So 1 month, you can use both community as well as professional features. After 1 month, your evaluation period will be expired. It will ask after 1 month, do you want to extend your professional features? Say no means you will continue with community edition. Okay. So that's the thing. Let me download it first. Click on download. Download has begun. Now you can see download has already begun. It takes little bit time because it's having like 984 MB. Not more than 1 minute, less than 1 minute of time, you'll get download clearly PyCharm 2025. So the installation procedure is very simple, straightforward. Next, install it. Nothing is there in that. So this is PyCharm 2025. Okay. Yeah. Wait a minute. I think it's completed. Yes. Let's close this and go to the downloads folder from your computer. Now you can see PyCharm 2025. So double click on it to installation. Double click on it to install this PyCharm editor. Do you want allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes means I can proceed. Now welcome to PyCharm setup. Click on next. And there is the location destination folder. Commonly every software, if you are trying to installing in your computer, the destination folder will be C drive only, right? Yes. Look at sir, what are the requirements to download and install PyCharm editor? Enough space is required, 3.4 GB is required in your C drive. Okay, so click on next and activate the desktop icon creation. If this is important, update the path setting means environment variable will be adding. Update the context menu or open folder options. Create .py associations. If I don't activate this, later whenever you add a new Python file along with Python file.py you must give from your end. But if I try to activate here only, next time when we add number of Python files to our project folder, don't need to give .py extension. Only file name is enough. So click on next and click on install simply. That's it. Your PyCharm will be ready. We will try to launch PyCharm editors. Please wait few seconds. Once installation finished, we'll try to launch. It's almost done. Right. Completing PyCharm setup and click on finish. Okay. Yes. So let me open a PyCharm editor, and for that, either you can double click on PyCharm because desktop shortcut created, or else simply go to the search, type PyCharm, and there is a PyCharm 2025 editor. So this is the editor which I am going to use continuously in our lectures. So click on this. First time, what is how the look and feel of PyCharm editor, you will see this. Yeah. So you will be able to get this window for the first time when we launch PyCharm editors. There are several options are there. So PyCharm professional editor it is. This is offering Jupyter notebook also. Look at this. New notebook option, first option. Generally, this notebook option can be recommended to use for Python with data science or data analysis programmers because they can able to create the logics as well as instantly they can prepare the documentation with their description only. And now you can see second option, new script option is there. Do you want to create exclusively a new Python file? Then we can go for new script option. Okay. New script means only one Python file. Okay. At a time, only one Python file. But third option I am choosing now. Why? Because this option is for what? Complete project folder. Today, once I create a project folder with certain name like Python project 8 a.m. till the last day of the session, I'll maintain same folder. So daily our activities will happen through this folder only. Means multiple number of files I can able to add this folder. So do you want instantly practice at one program once? Go for new script. Or else once you create a project folder today, throughout all your lectures, do you want to continue with this project folder by adding number of files? You can go to this one. And there is an open option is there. Already in your computer, if project folder already existed, that you want to open it, then open it. You have already folder of your project, then it is okay. Open the folder. And there is a fifth option, clone repository. You have your code is available in GitHub repository or VCS version control system. You can use last option. So I'm choosing what option? Third, because today I'll create a new project folder. Keep on adding number of Python files to that project folder. Okay, as many as. Till the last day, I maintain the same project folder. Do you want I can send this project folder with a lot of programs to your Google Drive? That will be better. So select new project. I'm selecting new project here. And now you can see as soon as when I click on new project, There is a left-hand side pure Python option already selected. And see users, computer name, PyCharm projects. Look at this. What is the project name? Python project 1. In your case, Python project only there. But in my case, why project 1 in the sense with the name Python project already exists in the location. That's what it's showing 1. But anyway, I'll change the name Python project 8 AM. This is my project folder name from now on. Our project folder name is what, sir? Python project 8 AM. To this 8 AM project folder, every day we'll open this project folder and write the programs, add the keep on number of Python files to this folder. Now you can see this is Python 3.1, 3.7. Yesterday we installed Python software, right? Yes. With that, automatically the Python interpreter exists. That interpreter configuration automatically happen. Next, after that, simply you can click on create. Below create option is there. And location you can remember, sir. C drive, users, Mohan, like this. This is the common location. Or else you are unable to remember the location. Sir, can I create my own location? Means yes, possible. Look at this. There is a folder option. And simply what is the location do you want? D drive or F drive or any drive location, directed drive location, you can, no problem. But most of the cases, all Python projects located in this location only. C drive location, PyCharm projects folder is there. Now click on create, automatically it will create one Python project folder with name 8 AM. So this is the look and feel of Python project in PyCharm editor, sir. Give me 1 second so that automatically it will update all the things. Once updation complete, then I'll start discussing programs with this PyCharm editor. So look at this. What's new in PyCharm? Do you want to see? You can read whatever new things are there in this PyCharm professional editor, or else you can ignore it. So close this. And you can also adjust the windows by dragging and dropping like this. Okay. This is my project root folder. But notice this, there is no Python files are added here so far. We have to add Python file means .py files. We don't have any Python files. Let me add Python files. How to add Python files? Very simple, sir. Right click on Python project 8. This is project folder. Right click. And there is option called new. New. Once I go to new, there are several options are there, but I am choosing what? Python file, because I need to write Python programs only. Simply click on Python file, give the name. My file name is test. .py is not necessary because do you know at the time of installation already I have activated .py extension. So that's what press enter, automatically new test.py file has created. Okay. So this is look and feel for the first time PyCharm editor with a dark theme with small font size. Look at this. Whenever the moment I try to type print, immediately IntelliSense came or no? Yes. Yesterday, what we have seen like interactive window, script window, script mode. Ideally, there is no IntelliSense options. Manually, we have to write our own way. But here today, we are launching PyCharm editor. Now you can see whenever the moment I type something, what as a programmer I am expecting, automatically PyCharm professional editor is giving in the below corner. So press enter, automatically it will capture from that. No need to type compulsory print from our end. Automatically you can capture and press tab key, automatically you will see whatever the code it is required. Let me remove. Again, once again I'm doing print. Now you can see print. I'm saying welcome. Like this. This is my code. And how do we execute this Python file? Simply right click on the test.py first time. Right click on the test.py tab. What is the option is there? Run test. That's it. Once you run, you got the output here in the output window. This is running window. And this is managing files and folder window. And this is writing code window. So here you can write the code. You can manage files and folders and check the result in the output window. Next, if I try to write some other lines of code like print hello, okay, then no need to again and again right click on test.py, run test, sir. Because once you executed for the first time test.py file, no need to run again and again right click. So simply already you are in the output window, just refresh it here, rerun. There is a rerun option is there. There is a rerun, welcome, hello is coming like this in the output only. But one more, first we will try to do change the settings only, sir, because it look like dark theme. Okay, for visibility purpose, I'll change light theme. Themes also we can change it. And also font size, it look like small. We will increase the font size for clear visibility. So these are all PyCharm editor settings. You must do the changes of that settings only. How to do the changes of settings means simply you can see main menu option is there. Main menu, click on it. And there is an option called what? Settings. Click on it. Once you click on the settings, already appearance and behavior appearance option was selected. What is the theme? Automatically selected dark theme. Expand that. There is a lot of themes are there. Light with light header, high contrast, dark color like this. I'm selecting light. This is the light theme. And even do you want to change the font size? There is one more option is there in the left hand side corner, editor. So there is an editor option, click on editor. And there is a font option, click on font. And font size default is 13. Let me make it 18. So for increasing the font size. Now it is look like. You can increase how much font size you want. And you can change the theme of the PyCharm also, no problem. So this is actually one program which I have written. Sir, can we write multiple programs code? Yes, as many as you can add it. How I said, like again, Python project 8 AM folder, go to new, what file? Python file. Give the name, this time test1, and new file is added here. Like that. I'm telling you that daily I'll do this project only. I'll enter before going to start your session. I'll open this Python project 8 AM. I'll explain as many as programs. All programs is one location, this folder out. At the last day of the session, I can share this folder to your Gmail or Google Drive also for reference programs like that. So you can add any number of Python files to this project. But suppose you can see A equals to 10, B equals 10. This program is very simple. And why I'm telling you, just to try to understand, print C. This is correct, right? It's look easy program. A10, B20 is equal to A plus B, print C. But whenever the moment I run this, first time if you run new program, compulsory you have to right click on it, sir. Don't go for this one and refresh because this file is what? Test file. Already our executed file that is. So this is not correct. Our file is new file, test1.py. So right click on test1.py file and run test1. Now we are getting the output is 30. We got output right, sir? Yes. But my question is here. Everyone will write the logic, no problem. It works well. It look good also. But this is not standard way of writing code, I am telling. Means some standards are required in real time. All programmers, they'll write the logic, but some programmers will maintain some professional way of writing the logics. Okay, professional way in the sense what? According to Python enhancement proposal, PEP standards are there. I'll tell you what is this. So you may get doubt, this program is working well, no sir, it's correct, yes correct. But when we place mouse pointer on equal to sign, what is the warning they are saying? You can see in the box. PEP 8 means Python enhancement proposal E225 missing white space around operator. What does it mean? Operator is what here? Symbol. What symbol we have? Equal to. Means simple assignment operator that is. This is code is correct. Output also came. I'm not complaining anything for that. But I am saying that as a professional programmer, you have to write some proper way, professional way. So we have to mention left side of the operator some space, right side of the operator some space. This is correct way to write the code. Standard writing format it is. When we place mouse pointer, there don't be any warnings. You can see this. But here again, when we place mouse pointer, warning is there again. But you may write, you may get doubt, sir, I have written already 10, 20 lines of code. How I can convert my code into format, well formatted style means simply you can see once we place mouse pointer on it and they are asking you to reformat the file. Click on the reformat the file, automatically adjusted. This is look good. I'm saying once again, everyone will write the logic in reality, but professional or experienced candidates, they might follow some rules. So even Python enhancement proposal, PEP community, like PSF, Python Software Foundation people are giving some guidelines to the developers to follow some standards. So we need to follow some standards. Remember, sir, if I go through the options yesterday, what I explained, like interactive mode, script mode, writing code in ideally, this style of suggestions will not indicate. You can write the code as it is, how the way you want, whether output came or not, you will think. You may think that we are writing in code professional way, no. But who will suggest you whether it is professional way or not means whenever you start use proper editor like PyCharm or VS Code. So that's what I strongly recommend any course, software course, not only Python. Try to use a proper editors. Okay, at least for few days to after understanding syntactical rules and regulation of Python, then you can able to write any editor, no problem. Notepad or anywhere you can write it. But in the beginner level, proper editor you can use, that will be better and you will not able to get any confusion and struggle and easily we can able to manage the code. Okay. So this is the reason I recommend to use PyCharm editor here. So this is only our permanent editor. Okay. Just for optional, I'm telling you, let me close this. Just optional, I'm telling you. There is one more option is there. What is this, sir? VS Code. This is completely free, sir. Even PyCharm 1 month Pro will be included after 1 month Pro is licensed. But normally you can continue with community. But VS Code is completely free. But VS Code, what is the problem? Yes, we can also use VS Code anyway after completion of Python core and advanced 2 months duration. Next, whenever I start Django, REST API, Flask frameworks with web development of framework, I'm going to use VS Code only. But do you want to start with Python code with Visual Studio Code? So you can. That's what I'm telling you. Visual Studio Code through also how to run Python logic. But actually in Visual Studio Code, you need to install explicitly some extensions. That is the problem. When we install PyCharm editor, not required any extension. Directly Python code we can begin. But in VS Code, you have to write some, you have to install some extensions only. What are the extensions? I'll show you. Even for my ongoing Django REST API batches, I have already in my computer VS Code editor also, sir. Look at this VS Code editor is there or not? Yes. So what I can do for better understanding for your purpose, I can uninstall immediately so that I can get it download and install again so that you will be get clarity. Let's do uninstallation VS Code from my computer. For that, I'm just moving control panel. Go to uninstall program and there is a VS Code option. Let it be uninstalled quickly. This is also lightweight software. It's not a big deal. It's a lightweight software service. It won't occupy much more memory and all. Okay. Give me 1 second. Yes. Visual Studio Code. Okay. Right click and uninstall. Done. There is no VS Code in our computer. So how to download it and install it? Okay. Very simple. Go to the Google search again. Download, type download Visual Studio Code. Okay, download Visual Studio Code. There is a code.visualstudio.com is there, and there is a download option is there. Simply click on it. There you can see this. There are few options are available. Windows 10, 11. This is our options. Okay, VS Code. Okay. Yes. Now coming to this, click on Windows 10, 11. So it is downloading clearly. Now you can see download completed. VS Visual Studio Code.exe executable file downloaded. So all you need to do means close all the folders and now go to the downloads section and simply double click on VS Code user setup. Installation is very easy. It's not a big deal. Look at this. I accept the agreement option and click on next. Again, it is moving towards C drive only. At least 430.6 MB free space is required in your operating system drive, C drive, to download and install it. So click on next, click on next. Try to activate all the checkboxes. This is for adding path and create a desktop icon and click on next, click on install. That's it. Within few seconds, your VS Code also ready. These are lightweight editor tools. It won't take much more time for setup of Python. But our permanent editor is what? PyCharm. After showing few examples here, I'll move towards PyCharm only, sir. I'll not continue with VS Code. So I'm showing all the options. Okay, I'm keeping all the options in front of you. Which option is required, you can. I have already explained in the last lecture. Basic options like interactive mode is there, script mode is there, ideal is there. But apart from this, I recommend this one or this one. Okay. So VS Code is ready, completing Visual Studio Code setup wizard. Launch Visual Studio Code. They are saying like activation is there. Now deactivate. I'm not launching VS Code. Okay. Yes. Now let's close this. How to launch VS Code, how to work with Python, we'll see now. Go to the search, VS Code. But notice this, whenever the moment I open Visual Studio Code, in the recent times, on which project I work on VS Code, that is opening, sir. Okay, this is Django project 4 p.m. This is not your batch schedule, right? So in the recent times, I worked Django projects, VS Code. So this is not our project. So forget about that. First thing, what we need to do here to practice Visual Studio Code programs in desktop or any location as per your requirement, create one new folder, sir. In desktop, I'm creating new folder. What is the folder name? Python 8, 8 a.m. Okay. Give me 1 second. Let me give the name of the folder properly. Python 8 a.m. This is the folder name, right? Now tell me, this folder I'm trying to open into VS Code. Because from now onwards, whenever I add as many as Python files, I want to target to store this folder only with Visual Studio Code. So once you create a empty folder, Python 8am folder in desktop, go to VS Code. In your case, you won't see this window, sir, in VS Code. You will get welcome screen, okay, with the dark theme again. I have changed theme also, like this. You can see in the bottom corner, left side settings are there, themes are there, color theme. Generally, whenever you open for the first time, this theme will be happening VS Code also. Let me open the folder. Look at this file, open folder, file menu, open folder. Where is your folder? Desktop. What is your folder? Python 8am. Just now I created. This is empty folder. No Python files are there. Later we'll add. Select folder. So first time you will be able to look like when we launch PyCharm edit, VS Code editor, you will get this window only, sir. Welcome screen with no files are available here. Okay. Yes, this is VS Code. Do you want me to change the theme of the VS Code for clear visibility? Click on settings in the left hand side bottom corner. Go to the themes option. There is a color theme also there. And now I'm trying to go for light theme like this. And now observe here, before adding the Python files to this Python 8am folder, you must and should install extensions. Otherwise, you can't run Python code. So where is the extensions? Look this, there is an extension option is there. Click on extensions and automatically you will be able to get some list of extensions. But look at this, I'm searching the extension like Python. With internet connection, Python extension I'm selecting. And now you can see there is a Python Microsoft. This is only we have to install. Click on it, install it. But for me, what it is showing? Uninstall. That means what? I have already installed it. For you, it will show install only. Because for the first time user, it will ask you to install only. Already I have used plenty of times this VS Code. So it is not asking me to install it again. Okay, so you can install this extension, fine. After that, you can go to the root folder. And now you can see I would like to add the new Python file to this folder. How to add this new Python file means look at this. There is a plus symbol, new file option is available. Click on new file. Now give the name of the file test.py. Don't forget to mention py. Py is nothing but Python extension. Press enter. You can see it will ask you to write Python logic here. Now I'm trying to print here also IntelliSense will come. Now I'm trying to write Python logic. Welcome to DURGASOFT Python sessions like this. And do you want to execute this one? How to run this? There are several options are there, sir. I'll show you. First, you can see there is a right-hand side play button is there. There is a play button. You can expand or click on this play button. Automatically, your code will run. The output is coming in the terminal window, output terminal. Welcome to DURGASOFT Python sessions. Play button is there. Or else there is one more option is there. Go to that terminal. Means there is a run option. After that, three dotted ellipse button is there. Click on it. Go to terminal and new terminal option is there. Click on new terminal and in the below section, you will be able to get new terminal window. And there is a command. Okay. Python space. Your file name is what, sir? Test.py. This is also one style of execution. We got the output here. Either you can click on play button directly, or else you can go to the terminal window, type your Python command for executing Python space test.py file. That's it. It's easy, right? But you can see, don't close this terminal here completely. Actually, if we close again, you have to reopen. There is a technique. I'll tell you that. Instead of going with this three dotted ellipse button terminal, right hand side option 1, option 2, option 3 is there. Option 3 name is what? Toggle panel. If we click on this also, terminal is opening. Again, click on this, terminal will be hide. You can see this. Open, hide. I'm clicking on this option. Look at it. This is the shortcut. Click on this. Okay. Again, click on this. Hide and come. Now you can also type even py space test.py also. It works. Now you can see this. Sorry, clear screen. Py space test.py. So we got the output. So either you can go with play button or else directly you can run it, no problem at all. You can add any number of Python files, again, new file test1.py, write the code and run the code. This is Visual Studio Code through how to run Python logic. And there is one more option is there to run Python logic. See, sir, when I right click on test.py, okay, here, when I right click on this page, so run code option is there here. There is a run code. Click on run code, your code is running clear. But in your case, you may not get run code when we right click on it. Why? Because for the first time user, you need to include some extensions. So do you want to get this when you right click on it and run code option? Do you want to get this compulsory? You must install one more extension that is called code runner. You can see code runner extension is there. Already have installed this extension, code runner extension. If you install this code runner extension, install it, okay, then automatically whenever you write Python code in this VS Code editor, after completion of your code, right click on the code window, simply will get what? This option, run code only. Easy to run. So this run code, do you want to get run code extension is compulsory, or else you don't want to get option called run code option. Simply you can go with what? Play button option, or else you can go with what? Terminal and try to type command python space test.py or python space test1.py like this. So this is the execution procedure in VS Code. Okay. So from the last session and today's session, I have explained clearly what are the different ways to write Python code and execute using interactive mode. Interactive mode means already I said, right? Whenever we open ideally software and there is one window will come, this is called interactive window. You can interact by typing anything like this, press enter, we got the output here. Already explained in the last lecture. Who are new to this session, I strongly recommend to watch my last lecture video. Okay, this is interactive window. Or else script mode in the sense, open the notepad, write how much code do you want, save with .py, run through command prompt or ideally. That is script mode. But script mode, interactive mode, ideally, there is no IntelliSense, there is no error indications, no options to identify the issues while writing the code. So proper editors are PyCharm as well as VS Code for Python beginners. So yesterday we explained this one, sir. And who are new to this session, I strongly recommend to watch my videos, 2 videos. So I am explaining how to watch my videos, even though after ending this session, our team will send the recorded videos link. Even if you want to watch, just simply I'm recommending you go to the YouTube, sir. Just observe here. Go to YouTube directly. Okay. In this YouTube, search DURGASOFT. That's it. DURGASOFT. Durga Software Solution is the official channel. And now you can see there is a playlist option is there. What is this? Playlist. Playlist. And in this playlist, recent demo lectures for all the batches. Now you can see full stack Python tutorials by Mr. Mohan Reddy. 2 videos uploaded here. Demo videos. Second demo, first demo. This is a third demo. After an hour, they'll upload this video also there. Tomorrow video also they'll upload here. Total 4 demos they'll upload in this channel. After that, the videos will come from my mail ID. They'll not upload continuously. They'll stop. Just for demo purpose. Do you want to watch this? Better to watch these videos. 2 videos. And I'm recommending who are new to this session especially. Anyway, without going here, our team will send a demo link video. You just click on the link. You will receive the mail after ending of the session. And you can click on the link, directly will redirect to YouTube video. Session 1, session 2, session 3 like this. Okay. So tomorrow is the last demo. Tomorrow also you can feel free to attend, especially who are in online. I'm telling them only. Okay. After tomorrow, you can decide whether do you want to continue with my lectures or not. Once your enrollment process is over, I'll collect your mail IDs from DurgaSoft so that I can start share the material as well as so far whatever the videos I have recorded, including tomorrow's session, 4 videos I'll upload to your Google Drive. See, sir, Google Drive, one folder I'll create with name Python project 8 a.m. I think this month is September, right? Python project 8 a.m. September 2025 folder name. I'll share that folder. And every day I'll upload one video how the sessions are going to that folder. Okay. So according to this session, that folder videos will update you. And that folder we can access lifetime. My videos are all lifetime access. No renewal process and nothing. And along with videos folder, you will get this material also based upon the discussion. For example, we are in core Python discussion, right? Once your enrollment process is over, core Python material you will receive. First only, total material. Once I complete core Python, next advanced Python programming is there. Advanced level programming, like object-oriented programming principles, multi-threading, file handling, exception handling, and many more concepts. Once I starts with advanced Python, you will receive this folder also to your mail. So this material, everything will be shared, downloadable. But videos directly I'll upload to your Google Drive folder. So as long as you are maintaining that folder, the videos will be available for the lifetime access. So tomorrow also you have a demo. Feel free to attend tomorrow demo lecture. After that, our team will follow up you. So whether you are interested to continue with my lecture or not, you can decide it. Feel free to take the decision. No force at all. Okay. So do you have any question who are in online? Please proceed. Tomorrow, our main concepts, I'm including our very, very important concept, Python fundamentals. Yes. Python fundamental concepts. What are that means? Comments, keywords, or reserved words. Before going to start logical programming, you must and should understand these fundamental concepts. Reserved words. And then identifiers. Then variables. Next, multiple assignment. Next, Python indentation. These are the most important fundamental concept. You should never miss it. Each and every fundamental concept is very important. If you don't know about these fundamentals, it is typical to handle the Python syntaxes and logics. So don't miss tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last demo. Please feel free to attend this fundamental concept. After that, we'll start logical programming. Okay. So any question from online students who are in online?
Hi, sir. This is Sudarshan.
Yeah, Sudarshan, tell me.
Sir, means my question is that after this, means tomorrow classes, is there any timing changes for this
No
batch
changes.
or?
No changes. No change. Till the last day, timing is 8 a.m.
Okay, sir.
Because I have a lot of schedules for every 1 hour after, so there is no possibility.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Hi, sir.
yeah,
The classes will be start on Monday or continue?
Monday to Saturday sessions. Only Sunday is the holiday.
Actually, tomorrow is one more demo session is there, right?
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah. After that, Friday is also class will be go on.
Friday,
Or,
Friday also class will be good, and Saturday also will be conducted sessions.
okay.
Sunday will not be there.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, yes, yes. Mr. Ravi Kumar. 1 hour, that is 2 months.
Yes, one. So once we enroll this session, so when it will start the actual classes? Right after this one, or any specific date
No,
you
no,
have
no.
defined?
It's a continuation process. These classes, whatever I conducted, third one today,
Mhm.
that is just for demo for you. It's a continuation process. It is a part of our syllabus only. Will continue. Lecture session number 4 tomorrow will happen. Session
Mm.
number 5 day after tomorrow, 6, 7 like that. It will be continue.
Okay. So we have to decide by tomorrow itself, right?
Tomorrow after demo, before
Okay.
going to join day after tomorrow session, you can decide. So that our link will be given to only enrolled students only. Our team will take care of that.
Okay.
Only core and advanced Python duration is 2 months, daily 1 hour session, Monday to Saturday, and no classes on Sundays. And also we will start giving some assignments or exercise tasks based upon the logical discussion in our session. And same task assignment code I'll write in the session also. You can compare with your code. And also meanwhile, every 2 weeks after, we will send a question paper to your mail, that is MCQs. just for test yourself whether your approach is correct way or not in Python learning process. Thanks for attending this session. Have a nice time. You can feel free to attend tomorrow demo session and later you can decide. Okay. Yes. May I know the same tools that have started? Is this full stack Python aligned with users of vehicles? Full stack Python means 4 months duration. Who travel with me 4 months? That is full stack. Who travel with me only 2 months? That is only Python core and advanced. With AI tools, automatically we will cover for searching our code. Okay. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Use the same link. Tomorrow also, you can attend free demo session.
Thank you.